Hello, my dear students. So, as I saw in the comment box, there was a special message given to me that please make question answers of lesson number 10 of EVS 2 and also lesson number 11. So, on the request of my subscribers, I'm making this. So, now we are going to discuss question answers of the lesson Baji Prabhu and the memorable battle of Ghorkin. The first question is fill in the blanks. As we all know, EVS 1 and EVS 2 is such subject जिसमें सबसे पहला जो अगर एक्सरसाइज होता है तो उसमें होता है fill in the blanks. So let's start. There are 5 fill in the blanks total. The first one is सिद्धि जौहर laid a siege to dash. सिद्धि जौहर ने कहाँ सीज किया था? पन्हालगढ़. Okay. Baji Prabhu's sense of loyalty brought tears to Shivaji's eyes. Khodkin became immortal in the history as dash. So Pawankind. Answer is Pawankind. What is the reason behind it? You have to search it in the lesson. The reason is given why Khodkin become Pawankind. It is because of the loyalty of Baji Prabhuji. He died there fighting with the Mughals. Fourth one is Shivaji escaped from Panhalgarh to dash. He escaped from Panhalgarh to Vishalgarh. Why he did that? He did that in order to protect himself. Question number 5. Dash was the Maratha battle cry. Har Har Mahadev was the Maratha battle cry. Now question number 2. Match the pairs. Siddhi Jauhar commanded the siege of Panhalgarh. Baji Prabhu died to save Shivaji. Fazal Khan accompanied Siddhi Jauhar. Siddhi Masad pursued to Shivaji. So these are the names of 4 people, 4 persons which have come in the lesson and the work related to them, what they did. Okay, so remember, as the names are very important in history, you have to remember the name and what special thing is that related to that person. Okay, now write the name of the person. Again, the name is important, I said. Again, the name is come. Brave and yet was cruel. Who was brave and a cruel ruler? It was Siddhi Jauhar. Gave most gallant fight at the Ghodkin Pass. Of course, it's a famous our Baji Prabhu. Escaped from the siege. Who escaped from the siege? Shivaji Maharaj. Write the answers in one sentence each. Children, question number 4 is the last answer. Okay. After that, there is no more questions. So be happy. It's a small lesson and a small exercise. Okay, let's start. Why did Siddhi Jauhar become livid with rage? Siddhi Jauhar was angry. What was the reason behind it? So Siddhi Jauhar became livid with rage because he learned that Shivaji had given him a slip. क्योंकि उसको मालूम पड़ गया था कि शिवाजी उसको धोखा देके भाग गए हैं, उसकी नज़र से चले गए हैं. So he was very very angry. Why was Baji Prabhu glad to die? Baji Prabhu died in the battle of Ghorkin. But even then he was glad to die. वो मरे फिर भी वो खुश थे that he is dying for Shivaji. What is the reason behind it? Let's find out. Baji Prabhu was glad to die as he had done his duty and saved the precious life of Shivaji Maharaj. What message was sent to Siddhi Jauhar by Shivaji in order to escape from the siege? Shivaji sent a message to Siddhi Jauhar that he was defeated and would shortly surrender the Panhalgarh. Okay, children, so that's it. These were the question answers. Once again, I'm scrolling from up to down. Please note down all points, all important questions. You can also write down in your notebook and prepare it for your exam. Thank you so much for supporting me and watching my videos, my dear students. Soon we will meet with lesson number 11. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.